Oh, it's so cute. Sounds like a dream, Mel. Yo, bruh. Hello, welcome back to another video here today on the new channel. So far I uploaded the Mob Psycho video, and today Chainsaw Man finally came out. I am uploading this probably 2 days late because there's just a lot of other things going on in life in this current moment in time, but I'm still going to react to Chainsaw Man, and this is one I've been really excited for. It's kind of got, I know it took I know the original manga creator took inspiration, I'm pretty sure, from Jujutsu Kaisen, from Gege Akutami, if I'm certain, or it was the other way around, I can't really remember. But yeah, it has received some influence from that, but Chainsaw Man is more, I feel, is probably way more darker than Jujutsu Kaisen, because Jujutsu Kaisen is more shonen than Chainsaw Man is. So there's that. But anyway, if you guys are new here to the reaction channel, I also do have a gaming channel. Link is in the description, where I play many different video games, make video game content, things of that nature. And also I do have a Twitch channel where I stream video games every Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. So be on the lookout for that. So anyway, let's start watching this Chainsaw Man. Made by Mappa. This animation better be god tier. Okay. We got a first person view. It's always a good start. Already ominous already. Bro, is this dude living in a shack? Oh my god. It's the animation. Crispy. Kidney? Huh? This man's selling his parts? Dude, how do you owe so much money? Bro, what is that? Oh, intro. Let's see how good this is. Oh, do not trust her. Do not trust her. Oh my god, this animation. I can already tell who's the serious character. The intro is pretty fire, not gonna lie. Tomato. Bruh. Bruh, just give the man his money. 70K? Bruh, talk about a ripoff. Oh, it's so cute. So does he just like walk around with this like little cute little dog thing? Do people know about these creatures? I assume so. Man's is just eating bread. Squirrel with a girl before I die. Say, don't we all, buddy? Don't we all? Bro. Putting that on a kid? Bro. Like, bro. Okay, so I guess they are known by the public then. How was a little dog creature with a chainsaw sticking out of his head so cute? I mean, just look at it. And when you think your life is too hard, just look at Denji. Sounds like a dream, Mel. Bruh. And this dude is sick too, bruh. Come on. Can't catch a break. Bro, this anime got like movie quality, bro. Like, this is like movie quality. Oh man, they about to axe you. I can feel it. Bruh. Ah! Wow. Wow.
悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ。
Oh, is this how he becomes Chainsaw Man?
ヤクザ持ってこれないだろ。そんで、この町を出て、そんで、普通の暮らしをして、普通の死に方をしてほしい。
Why is this so cute?
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
He's bringing him back. where they like fuse.
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
Oh. Oh, it's time to transform.
なんでこいつらは十分恵まれてんのにもっといい生活を望んだ。俺も同じか。ポチタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくて、もっといい生活を夢に見たんだ。そうか、みんな夢見ちまうんだな。じゃあ悪いことじゃねえ。悪いことじゃねえけど邪魔すんなら死ね。
You hear them? Oh, you hear it revving. Yo, bruh. Just flail your arms around. That'll work. Woo. Oh my.
デビルハンターとして雇われてるからに悪魔は
Get the job done.
殺さねえとね。そっか、てめえら全員殺せばよ借金はバーだぜ。
人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
餌って朝飯はどんなの？
食パンにバターとジャム塗ってサラダ、コーヒー、あとデザートかな。
最高じゃないっすか。
Well, that's a deal. Got food, that's a deal. I have a few comments I have about this. But other than that, pretty good first episode. Pretty good so far. I feel like it was a lot of noticeable CG in it. Like kinda iffy CG. But I'm not really the type of person to necessarily complain too much about CG in an anime. So, you know, yeah. But other than that, I'm curious to see what happens next. I know of some parts that happens, especially to certain characters, but other than that, I don't know what happens in between and basically in the beginning of the story, basically this first season. So it'd be interesting to see how this plays out. But yeah, that was episode 1. I was intrigued. I probably give it maybe about like a 7.5 out of 10. I feel pretty good introduction, somewhat of world building, I'd say. And yeah. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Be on the lookout for my next video, which is Mob Psycho episode 2, and then after that, Chainsaw Man episode 2, and that comes out next week. So anyway, this is Distro, guys, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.